In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Golden Snow EA on my Lite Finance account for months. And zounds, it snowed my stakes to plus 989.33% gains with the panache of a parodic powder pioneer. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that blankets losses in bullion. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Golden Snow virtuoso of value. The zip folder for the Golden Snow EA disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Golden Snow EA to XAUUSD's M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Golden Snow EA parades its plus 989.33% absolute gain escapade on Lite Finance. Ballooning deposits into a locked balance with steady profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.34% chuckles. Monthly 10.89% guffaws. Equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners, way above the 60% benchmark for gold bots that chase wild swings. Average win, a juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Golden Snow EA's built-in gold-focused precision and adaptive volatility management that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips in the thousands. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD without overtrading. Drawdown's only 24.32% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity stays calm, risk of ruin negligible, profit factor healthy, and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics, another strong bar showing solid profit with the graph barely dipping. It's not flashy, but it's thriving reliably, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of babysitting charts. If you're after a bot that delivers consistent monthly profits with super low stress, this Golden Snow EA is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Golden Snow EA on MT4 with ticks from recent months, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $4.44. Gross profits $160, edging out losses for that clean edge. Aha! Trades balanced. Win rate strong overall. Average trade positive with max drawdown very low. Steady performance, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Golden Snow EA has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Golden Snow EA strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.